Hello, in this short video let us look at the definition of binomial random variable. Consider an experiment in which we perform n trials in parallel. That is, basically we conduct n independent experiments. Each of the experiment can be characterized by a Bernoulli distribution. So each trial or each experiment we have two possible outcomes, either a success or a failure, and given the probability of success is given by p. Then the binomial random variable characterizes the total number of successes in these n experiments. That is, for example, if k denotes the total number of successes in these n experiments, then binomial random variable stands for this k is the binomial random variable. Let us look at the definition of this definition of the probability distribution of this random variable. So if there are n experiments and we have k successes with each with probability p and n minus k failures each with probability 1 minus p. So for one such configuration, the probability of this random variable, this binomial random variable, of this random variable for one configuration is given by p power k into 1 minus p power n minus k. So that is, in other words, the probability that for one configuration there are k successes out of n experiments is given by p power k times 1 minus p power n minus k. But the total number of such configurations in n experiments is given by the combinations nck, that is n choose k. That is, we can arrange these k successes in n experiments in nck ways. So the total probability should be nck multiplied by p power k multiplied by 1 minus p power n minus k. Hence, the probability mass function of a binomial random variable is given by nck times p power k 1 minus p power n minus k, where k has values 0, 1, 2 up to n, and the probability mass function is obviously 0 for all the other values outside this domain of k. And this is a graphical representation of the binomial distribution for a discrete random variable with n equal to 20 and k changing from 0 to 20. Thanks for watching.